Hello and welcome back to Together Learner. In this video, we will have a very quick look of Amazon Basic Fridge having a capacity of 564 liters, weighing around 110 kgs, and this will cost you around 50,000 Indian rupees. So let's get started. Left side of the refrigerator is the freezer part and the right side is the regular fridge. It comes with 1 year on product and 5 years on compressor warranty. You can get a 2-year extended warranty that will start just after the first year at just rupees 2449. On the right door, we have the water dispenser having a decent capacity of 4.5 liters. On the right door, we have compartment for fruits, below which we have some space for vegetables. Inside left door, we have a space for ice cream and frozen vegetables below that. You can pour water from top, twist it to get ice cubes in the tray below. On the left door, we have control panel to adjust the temperature of both right and left door.